Have you ever opened your bank account at the end of the month and thought, where did all my money go? If so, this video is for you. I'm not going to tell you to skip your morning coffee. That is the worst advice ever. Instead, I'll show you real systems used by real people earning $15,000 to $40,000 a month who are actually saving money in 2026. These are strategies that work when income is tight. No fluff. No fake motivation. Just the truth about money when you don't have much of it. Let's start with the real reason most low-income people can't save. And no, it isn't laziness. It's called the scarcity mindset trap. When money is tight, your brain focuses on right now. Paying today's bill, buying today's food. Thinking about next month feels almost impossible. Research from Princeton University proved this. Financial pressure actually reduces your cognitive bandwidth. That means your brain has less mental energy left for planning. So if you've tried budgeting and failed, it is not a character flaw. It is a design problem. You need a system that works with your brain, not against it. Here is how we fix that. Before you save a single rupee, you need to face your numbers honestly. Most people avoid this because it feels scary. But this takes only 10 minutes, so do it right now. Step 1. Write down your total monthly income. Include every source. Salary, side work, family support, everything. Step 2. Write down your fixed costs. Rent, phone bill, transport, loan payments. These don't change. Step 3. Write down what's left. That remaining number is your real battlefield. Most people skip this and just try to spend less. That doesn't work. You need to see the battlefield first. Clarity before control. Know your numbers. Maybe you discover you have $3,000 left after fixed costs. Maybe it's only $500. Either way, now you know, and now we can work with it. Now forget complicated budgets. For low income, I recommend the 3-bucket system. Bucket 1 is survival, and it takes about 60% of your income. Food, rent, medicine, transport. These are non-negotiable life essentials only. Bucket 2 is your future, and it takes 10 to 15%. This goes to savings. Even 500 pence a month. Even 200. It doesn't matter how small. What matters is that it moves automatically before you can spend it. Bucket 3 is life, and it takes 25 to 30%. Personal needs, small pleasures, your social life. You are allowed to enjoy life, even on a low income. Here is the key. Pay bucket 2 first, not last. The moment your salary arrives, transfer your savings amount. Even if it's small, make it automatic if your bank allows it. The money you never see is the money you never spend. Save first, then spend what's left. Not the other way round. Now let's talk about cutting costs without destroying your quality of life. Some saving advice is so extreme that it makes you miserable, and you quit in week 2. So here are the high-impact cuts that don't hurt. Number 1. Cook in bulk once a week. One Sunday cooking session can feed you for 5 days. Dal, rice, vegetables. Batch cooking can cut your food costs by 30 to 40%. Not glamorous, but very effective. Number 2. Switch to a cheaper mobile plan. In 2026, competition between telecom companies is intense. Check if you are on the cheapest plan for what you actually use. Most people overpay by $100 to $200 a month without even knowing it. Number 3. Audit your subscriptions. Streaming, apps, gym memberships. These are the silent money drain. Look at every monthly subscription and ask yourself, did I use this last month? If the answer is no, cancel it today. One unused subscription can waste $200 to $700 every single month. Number 4. Combine your errands. Plan your trips. Visit the market, the pharmacy, and the post office in one trip. This sounds small, but it saves fuel, fare, and time every week. Number 5. Manage social pressure spending. This one is emotional, but important. Weddings, birthdays, group outings, these can drain a low-income person fast. It's okay to set limits. Real friends understand. Give your time, not expensive gifts. Okay, so now you are saving $500 a month, maybe $1,000. So where do you keep it? Option 1. a recurring deposit. It's available in every bank and post office. You put in a fixed amount every month, and it earns interest. At the end, you get a lump sum. It's perfect for building discipline, and even $200 a month works. Option 2. A post office savings scheme. In India, Pakistan, and many other countries, government post office savings are safe, accessible, and require very little to start. In Pakistan, the Mahana Bachat account gives monthly profit payouts. This is ideal for low-income households. But before you invest in anything, build your emergency jar first. Save at least 1 month of expenses and keep it somewhere separate. This is your financial airbag. Without it, one unexpected bill can destroy all your progress. And here is what not to do. Don't keep your savings in your regular account. You will spend it. Keep it separate. Physically separate if you need to. Now, saving only works up to a point. At very low incomes, there's a flaw. You can't cut below zero. So even small income increases can be life-changing. Here are real options in 2026. Number 1. Sell skills on your phone. Typing, data entry, basic graphic design, social media posting for local businesses. These can earn $3,000 to $10,000 a month part-time. Apps like Fiverr, local marketplaces, and Facebook groups are good starting points. Number 2. Resell locally. Buy in bulk from wholesale markets and resell in your neighborhood. Eggs, cleaning supplies, snacks. It's an old method, but it's effective. It needs small capital, but it scales fast. Number 3. Teach something you already know. Can you speak English better than average? Do you know basic math? Can you cook well? Teach one student a day for 100 pens, and that's $3,000 extra every month. Number 4. Look into government schemes. In 2026, many countries offer microgrants and interest-free loan schemes for low-income individuals and small businesses. In Pakistan, check Kamyab Pakistan and the Akuwat Foundation. In India, look at PM Svanidhi and Mudra Yojana. These are real. Most people just don't apply because they don't know. Now, I want to be honest with you. Saving money on a low income is hard. Anyone who says it's simple hasn't lived it. But here is what I know. Small, consistent action beats large, perfect plans. 200 saved this month is real. It's yours, and no one can take it. The goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to build a gap between your income and your expenses, even a tiny gap, and then widen it slowly, month by month. People who escape financial stress rarely do it in one big moment. They do it in hundreds of small decisions. One skipped impulse buy, one batch-cooked meal, one 500 move to savings before the week begins. You are not behind. You are starting, and that is enough.